This is the first time since we started this introduction where we look at an actual corollary to a theorem. Remember that we said a corollary is what is deduced from a theorem. It comes directly from the theorem. Now here we're going to look at corollary of theorem 8. The theorem that says the sum of the interior angles of a triangle are supplementary. Now, from that theorem, we are able to actually conclude or come up with a statement that says the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. And as usual, it will have a short version that says exterior angles of a triangle. So now what this short version is telling us, it's telling us that we start off with a triangle that has an exterior angle, and then we can conclude that if we add the interior opposite angles, they will be equal to that exterior angle. Now let us look at that in a form of a diagram. We're saying here we obviously have a triangle and we are looking at the exterior angle. Now exterior would mean the outside, so in this case our exterior angle would be the CRS, this angle here, because exterior means outside. So this is the angle that is on the outside. And we are saying that this angle, if we ever have an exterior angle in a triangle, this angle will be equal to the sum, meaning to the number that we get when we add the interior opposite angles. Now, these are called opposite angles because they are opposite to the exterior angle. So, for example, if you look at angle C here, it is directly opposite to this exterior angle. If you look at angle A here, it is exactly opposite to angle A. Remember, opposite means something that is in front of you. So both these two angles are in front, if you look at them from that side, to the exterior angle there. Now, when we add these two angles, the conclusion then becomes that when we add these two angles, they actually should be equal to this exterior angle. So if we add angle C to angle A, we should get exactly this angle here that is outside there. Now, one thing that I have to mention about corollaries is that they still have the same structure as theorems. They look like theorems. So that is to say that we have the A part and then we have the B part. In other words, we have the given information, what we start with, and then from what we start with, what we are given here, we make the conclusion. So we still see the same structure as a theorem, even though it is a corollary. The only difference is that it emanates from a theorem. It cannot exist on its own.